trick plane ever. It's got good aerodynamics and it loops and loops.
And as
To make it, you do this.
We'll show you how to fly the plane at the end of the show.
Make a triangle. Like so.
It's really easy to make it.
Then take the corner and bring it over here.
So it looks like that so far.
Looks like that. Pick it up and fold it in half. Like so.
Unfold it.
And bring the corner down straight into that. Fold again. And now it's time to make the wings. Fold it and you'll see, oh, you'll make a little triangle. Make sure, you'll fold it and you'll make a little triangle. Make sure that this edge doesn't go past this part. Like,
Do the other side too.
do the other side the same way. And now for the edges. About 1/2 inch in, you fold like so on both sides. And as the French would say, voila, you are done. Now this is how to fly it. To fly it so it gets a lot of tricks in, just throw it straight up.
One more time.
One flight. If you want it to dive bomb, hold it like this, bring it down, and throw up.
I don't know when. Oh, there. It has so much tricks I can't even find it. Just throw it up.
So that's it.
No, throw it hard to the ground.
Just to throw it, all you have to do is throw it straight up, and normally it'll be a great flight. See you, YouTube.